Hey, what's going on, guys? Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru, back here with another video for you guys. This is not going to be a long one, but I really get asked about moving averages a lot. Which ones do you use? Which ones do you think are best? Now, I know there are a lot of different people out there that watch different YouTubers. I will go ahead and put this disclaimer out there early. There are a lot of different moving averages you can choose to use, whether you're day trading or you're swing trading. You can use a combination, but what's going to be in this video is what I use specifically and how I use it. So with that being said, I really think that it would be something that you as a newbie trader here in the Forex or cryptocurrency market will be able to take this into consideration and implement it inside of your trading journey if you're someone that hasn't really decided on what moving averages you would actually use. So as you guys can see currently pulled up, I'm looking at the Forex market. I found a nice clean one. I really don't have too many drawings on. I do have some supply and demand pointed out. But what you currently see on my screen are three different moving averages. We have the 21, the 50, and the 200. Now, there are three different lines and three different colors. When you're setting this up in TradingView on your chart, it does not matter what color you make these three lines. If you choose to use three, if you only choose to use two, doesn't matter what color you make them. But the yellow line that you guys see here, I would consider to be the most important, and that is the 200 moving average. The green line is going to be my 21, and the blue is going to be my 50. So I'm using a 21, a 50, and the 200, and they're all smooth moving averages. You can choose to just use a regular moving average or whatever suits you best. But what I have are smooth moving averages. Now, how I use these when it comes to actually trading, to be honest with you guys, is very simple. Whether I'm day trading the market and I'm looking for scalps, or I'm on higher time frames and I'm looking for a swing position, no matter what time frame I'm looking at, the 200 moving average, once again, you guys will see it here on the screen in yellow, is like my main line, no matter what. And typically, for me to look at the market and say, hey, you know what? I'm interested in taking a long on whatever time frame I'm looking at. The main thing that I want to see is price above the 200 moving average, and also the 21 and the 50 above the 200 moving average. So if we take a look at the chart that I'm looking at right now, which is the Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen, we're over in Forex, we can see we had a full cross of every single thing that I just mentioned here. And if we go back even further in the market, you guys can see we've been in a full downtrend ever since we crossed below the 200 moving average. So it's the same vice versa. If we're trading below the 200 moving average, my 21 and my 50 is below the 200, I am going to be looking at the market and saying, hey, you know what? At what point can I find an entry in the market for me to take shorts? And we go ahead and we wait. And I love trend reversals when it comes to our moving averages, because what I love to see is, let's say we were coming down and then now we found a low. And typically before this happens, I would be looking for some kind of a divergence on the RSI, because when we bottom out and you get that RSI divergence, it's like the price gets sucked up like a magnet all the way back to the 200, and then it's kind of at a test point right there of, can we break through it? And if we can break through it, can we get a retest of that 200 moving average and then potentially get a great entry for a long position? So if we take a look specifically right here, we came up, we were playing around with it, we came through, we got our support right here. This, in my book, would have been a great entry point into the market for a long position. And then now, of course, you know, you get the 21 and the 50 moving above this. So now at this point, we're fully switching positions in the market. We're no longer looking for shorts, and we're now looking for longs. So we're going to be basing every single thing off of divergences and support and resistance moving forward in this uptrend in the market. We're looking for pullbacks. Like if we go forward a little bit, we kind of came under a little bit. We came back up. We got our test of it again and pulled all the way back up. And just so happens we came very close to our resistance and kind of looks like we're on the way back down. Now we're looking at this in the Forex market. I want to put out there for you guys, it does not matter whether you're trading stocks, Forex, or cryptocurrencies. The same thing that I just told you guys does apply for no matter what the market is. So, and that actually sums it up, and that's very simple. One thing that I definitely, before we end the video, that I do want to note, just like every single thing that I tell you guys about in these different videos, I would not, I want to stress this, I would not trade moving averages solely based on themselves. Like, you need to be finding support and resistance and demand zones inside of the market. And once you put those together with RSI divergences, I promise you, your win rate inside of the market, as long as you plot out your zones and you take a look and you make sure your risk to reward is great, you're not losing too much, you don't have a big stop loss, and you've already planned out where you're looking to take profit and then also where you're looking to go ahead and close your trade. You put those three different things together, the moving average, RSI divergences, supply and demand, you're good to go. I promise you. So do me a favor, guys. Video wasn't too long. Summed it up for you guys in just about 7 minutes. Do go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you guys have found value from it. And of course, go ahead and get subscribed to the channel, as I, Money Making Joey, make these helpful videos for newbie day traders all the time. Upload them just about every day. Sometimes we even get 2 videos in a day. And I'm sure we will make you a great profitable trader. Money Making Joey, the Forex and crypto trading guru. I'm out of here, and I will see you guys, like always, in the next video.